welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So guys, for today's video, I will do unboxing about the stuff that I've got from Pop Mart, Thailand. So last week, I went to Pop Mart Center World in Rama 1. So at first, I want a Crying Again, the new version of Crying Baby, but it's sold out. So I decided to get some stuff from Pop Mart, which is the different version of Labubu. And I am very excited, guys. And aside from the stuff from Pop Mart, I will unbox the Baby 3 version 1. This one is straight from China. My co-teacher gave it to me as a gift, and I'm very excited because the Baby 3 version 1 is kinda cute. And so if you are familiar, guys, to my channel, I did unboxing video about the plush toys that my husband bought me from Mega Plaza, the biggest toy mall here in Thailand. So I did unboxing about Loveliness Never Ends, Dao Bao, Migo, and Baby 3 version 3. This one is the big rabbit. So here is the paper bag from Pop Mart Thailand in Central World. Alright, so disclaimer lang, guys, this one is not a sponsored video. I bought it from my money, my own money. And I want you to know, guys, that if you bought only 2 pieces or 1 piece in Pop Mart, they will not give you a bag. So if you buy 3 stuffs from them, that's the time they will give you a free Pop Mart bag. So I will show you first. This one is the Baby 3 version 1. The macaron cute bunny. This one, guys. Alright. So here is the stuff that I've got to Pop Mart. So the Lazy Yoga. Here. I wish I will not get the same design. That's why I get 3. Alright, so let's do unboxing. I will do unbox first the baby macaron from my co-teacher. This one is the Baby 3 version 1. Alright. So it has how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15. Oh, 20 characters, guys. I think if you buy online or in Mega Plaza, it costs 330 baht to 350 baht. I'm not familiar. So here, so it says the Baby 3 Macaron Rabbit Stuffed Blind Box. So the material is ABS plus 100% polyester, suitable age 15 years old and above. Alright, so let's unboxing. So let's open the box. Alright. Oi. So I'm alright, guys. So here is the plastic. Alright. So I am very excited. But wait. If you ask me what I want, maybe I want the blue and pink one. This one. don't have name. But I want this. I hope so. I want this, guys. Alright, so let's open. So let's open, guys. Okay. Oh, I've got the blue. So guys, I've got 3 blue. I've got first Labubu, this salty salt macaron. It's color blue. And next in Loveliness Never Ends, I've got blue. And now I've got here Baby 3 version 1 macaroon. So the eyes, it's movable. It can move. The hands as well, and the feet. Alright. So this one is, let me check. So I've got this one. Because it has green, blue with purple. This one I've got, but different hat. So I've got this one, guys. Okay, so in the picture here, so good thing to Baby 3 version 1 is it's already dressed up. It has hat and it has jumper. It has clothes. So this one, guys, is also a chain from your bag. So cute. Alright, so this one is the Baby 3 version 1 baby macaron. So macaron cute bunny, not baby macaron. Macaron cute bunny. So this one is so cute. Alright, so let's go to Lazy Yoga. Okay. Alright, guys, so here is the Lazy Yoga. So I will unbox first the middle one, the center here. So guys, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, including the secret, the surprise. So here, guys, so little bird, the purple one, the little bird. Next is confident, the purple or pink, like this. Then AB roller. Next is show off, zone out, stretch out, lay down, because it's yoga, Americano. What is this? Sleeping, which is the character is sleeping. Next is sweating, and the last one is secret. Alright, so let's open. Excuse me to my big tummy, I just ate dinner. Alright, so let's do unboxing. Oh, this one is perfect. So it says, Pop Mart, make something fun. So guys, it costs, let me check first, how much is it? I forgot. It costs 380 baht each box. Alright, so let's open. I've got the sleeping. So this one, guys, I got the sleeping. So cute. Here. Okay. So, sleeping. Oh, inside the box, guys, there is a picture. Inside the box, guys, it has a picture. Which one you got? I've got sleeping. Alright. So, let's go to next box. I want to mini, mo. Okay, this one. Let's open. I think I got sleeping again. I don't know. I hope not. Oh, it's cute. I've got the purple one. Oh, what is this? Ah, yeah. This one is Little Bird, guys. Little Bird. So the other one, it don't have stand, but this one, the Little Bird, I thought I've got the secret. So this one, you can put like this. So let me open. So it has a stand. Pop Mart. Yeah, so like this, guys. This one is the Little Bird. Because it has a bird. Okay, I get it now. It's holding, it has a bird. Okay, so let's go to the last box. Lazy Yoga that I've got. Alright, guys, so this is the last box that I bought from Pop Mart. So let's open. Oh. Oh, I think I've got same. I think I've got sleeping. Oh no! I've got this blue. Stretch out. It's cute. But the other one, it don't have a stand. Let me check. The first one, it has no stand. But this one, it has a stand. So, this. Okay. Alright. So, guys, the sleeping, this one is the stretch out. So, the stand, it has on Little Bird, Confident, AB Roller, Zone Out, stretch out, Americano, and sweating. The rest, they don't have stand. So this one is cute, guys. So again, I'll show you each toys that I've got from Pop Mart and as well in Baby 3 version 1. Alright guys, so here is the last snap of what I've got from the blind box from Pop Mart and from Baby 3. So this is the little rabbit, color blue with purple jumper and blue hat that I've got from Baby 3 version 1. The next one guys is from Lazy Yoga from Pop Mart. This one is sleeping. The next one is the light blue from Pop Mart 2. Lazy Yoga. This one called Stretch Out. The last one guys is from Pop Mart as well. Lazy Yoga called Little Bird. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more update. So see you in my next video and unboxing video guys. Bye!